It's Remy's little Bluetick Beagle babies. It's not very nice out, so they're smart. They don't want to come out here. So, one of these for sure is reserved. Let's see. These two are available though. Right now, anyway, we might have one of these that are reserved today as well. So there's Waylon's puppy. There she is, Waylon. She's a beautiful girl. And you're a beautiful girl too. That one has a lot to say. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie patootie. Yeah, I said I was getting some treats out for you, didn't I? So that's Waylon's baby girl. And the noisy one is currently available, and so is the sweet baby with long ears. My goodness, my goodness. You guys have quite the voice. You smell the treats? Okay, let me see what I can find. Hang on, I've got my mitten in there. My mitten in the mix. Okay, let's see if you like these. I don't even think you'll want those. Maybe you will because they're different. Get your little hand dog nose in there. Check them out. It's pretty good stuff. Liver bites. They have such amazing ears, these pups. Hi, sweetie. There's your girl, Waylon, trying to eat. Her sister's trying to get the treat. So maybe this is a good chance to get a few more pictures. I'll have to see. Hi, what are you talking about? You're Waylon's puppy.
Switched over to the food.
Yeah.
I do sell bags of that. It's what it is. It's a
Hi. Hi, your dad.
Dog chow.
You tell your dad you need him to come pick you up.
You know, the ingredients like the protein and the fat is as high as it is in the puppy chow. So it's $60 for a 50-pound bag, which is a good price. So if you're interested in that, you can do that.